Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm here with my buddy Justin and his M2. This is a 2024 8-speed auto M2. We're gonna run my stock M2 versus his pretty much stock M2. The only thing you have is a mid pipe, right?
Only mid pipe. That's it for performance, quote unquote.
Yeah, so he's completely stock, but he does have a what do they call it? A single mid pipe?
It's a single mid. It's
single mid pipe, and then you have upgraded wheels and tires. So the wheels could possibly be slightly lighter. If anything, they're the same.
So it went from 19 to a 20 plus the wider on the front, 20 by 11 in the rear.
285s in the front, 305s in the back, right?
295.
295, okay. 285 front, 295 back. They're 20s, and they might be like the same weight as factory. All right, guys, we are heading out to Mexico. So a lot of people have been saying that my M2 is a factory freak, or my M2 is tuned, just because of how well it performs versus other cars. How's that possible?
I don't know, man.
So I figured what better way to, you know, show the performance of the M2 than to race another G87 M2. So his M2 is also the 8-speed auto. His is stock besides a mid pipe, so he technically has a more performance mods, quote unquote, than I do. We're both on 91 octane. We both have the same amount of gas. He doesn't have the carbon roof, so without the carbon roof, my car is about 50 pounds lighter. But he does have aftermarket wheels and tires, which may or may not be lighter than factory.
We can pull over and look at the settings so we can make sure they're all matching and everything.
Okay, yeah.
Kind of take that out of the equation.
For sure, yeah. We want to make sure that we're on the same settings. My M2 mode is set up to be Sport Plus everything, and then the traction control, DSC off, and level 3 as well. So I think we should be good on that.
We might have the same, but it's better to just go over them.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so fucking dark up here. That window's too dark. I hate dark roads.
Yeah, I know. All right, guys, before we do the runs, we're gonna go over the drive modes. So Justin, click setup, and then put your car in M2 and let me know what your setup looks like.
My M2, engine Sport Plus, chassis Sport Plus, steering Sport, brakes, comfort, I don't want them there. Transmission D3, chassis Sport Plus, steering Sport, brakes Sport. DSC is on MGM.
Okay, so turn DSC off and then put on M traction control level 3. All right, get up to 40. All right, you can go and honk it off. I think I started first. You were kind of far back. Okay, so on that one, I hesitated a little because I didn't want to jump you again, but you stayed in front and I wasn't pulling. At least it didn't look like it.
Mid pipe, baby. That's it.
Watch people be like, oh, it's because it has a mid pipe.
Yeah, it just does nothing but make noise.
Go to second.
I'm in third. I'm in third.
Pull up to 60. Pull up. And then it'll be third gear for both of us. You can go and honk it off whenever you're ready. All right.
That's really coming down to the engine's getting on it just that bit quicker.
Yeah, so I mean, it looks like my car is not a factory freak. That's just the way M2s are.
I don't know who's getting on it quicker. That's You didn't like got like a mirror ahead of me, and that's kind of what it felt like.
All right, go ahead. Mine did like a slight pull, and then it was like pretty even again. Very interesting.
Science.
All right, guys, for this last one, we're gonna do a launch control just to see how both cars launch. He does have slightly wider tires of 295, but it probably won't make that big of a difference, but we'll find out. Because his tires are a little bit newer than mine. Mine have like 8,000 miles on them. Can you turn off your hazards?
Yep.
You haven't won yet.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Why is it not going off? There we go. I don't like this car.
Okay.
I don't like cars. I got trust issues.
What's going on?
It's on the third setting.
And then hard on the brake, and then floor the gas immediately.
Yep,
Don't do it like slowly.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're good. All right, go ahead and knock it off. So it is official, you get better traction.
That's good. Oh, hold on.
What's going on?
Oh, I was just hitting you with the lights.
Oh. That's funny. All right, guys, just got back from Mexico. You guys saw the results. So basically, as expected with two cars that are the same performance, whoever got the tiny jump would end up staying in front, and then if someone got a more significant jump, that person would stay in front. But when we started at the same time, it was pretty much neck and neck. I mean, I think I might have pulled a tiny bit, and that would make sense because my car is slightly lighter than his and I weigh a little bit less than he does. So I mean, you guys saw it here first, my M2 is not a factory freak. I guess they're just all pretty quick.
Oh, and not tuned.
Oh yeah, no, I have a JB4. I have a JB4 and I lost to a stock M2. but yeah, no, that's the results. I was hoping it'd be a factory freak, to be honest.
I was expecting you to just walk away.
Yeah, but it's not. It's normal M2. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.